Hello, my Ava J foodies. Today I'm going to do product reviews. So I'm going to try different products and let you all know how they taste or how I feel about them. So let's get started. The first thing I have is Craters cheese and caramel mix. Handcrafted small batch popcorn. It says it's 100 calories per cup and no artificial preservatives. So let's get started. Let's see how these taste. Let me show y'all the bag again. Let's see. This is good. Pretty good. Definitely my speed because I love popcorn. Plain or flavored, cheese, caramel. I just love popcorn. Total popcorn person. So this is good, y'all. 2 thumbs up. Next, I'm going to try. These is new by Takis. Hot peanuts. And the flavor of them is smoking lime. Let's see what they about. If I could get in the package, y'all. Tearing the package all up. Let's see how these taste. I kind of like them. Not real hot. Plus, I like peanuts also. And I love lime on stuff. The heat start kicking in eventually as you eat them. Not super hot, but they have a spice to them. And these is about Takis. They're pretty good once you keep eating them. Next, I have Taco Bell new cheddar crisp nacho flavor. Oh, these are new. Snacks by Taco Bell. So let's try these out. Let's see. They taste okay. Not something that I'm real crazy about, but it tastes okay. And I got water on deck, y'all. Next, I'm going to try some cookies by a company called Marinaras. These are polverons. Hope I'm saying them right. And they are shortbread orange cookies. And these again are by Marinara. Well, let's see how these taste. This is how they look. These are good if you like shortbread cookies, which I love. And they taste like oranges, just like it said on the package. Orange shortbread. You like shortbread cookies, orange flavor, and these is pretty good. I actually like them. Mmm, pretty good. Never had orange shortbread cookies before. First time for everything though, right? Last but not least, we have another snack. Another snack by Marinaras. Gansito, hope I'm pronouncing that right too. Field snack cakes. These are chocolate cakes with strawberry and cream filling. So let's try one of these out. This is what they look like. They smell yummy, y'all. These smell good. Smell real chocolatey. These pretty good too. Let me show you how they look on the inside. Pretty good. I like them. When you get down to the center of the cake, where all the strawberry filling and cream is, they're really good. So that's all I have today, y'all, for product reviews. My overall review, most of them got a thumbs up. There was a couple that was okay. But I really enjoyed the Pulver shortbread orange cookies. The Creakers caramel and cheese mix popcorn. And the Gansito filled snack cake with strawberries and cream in the middle. Those are the ones I really enjoyed. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till the next time, my Ava J Foodies, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And hit that notification button for every... I'm messing up left and right today, y'all. for new videos every week. Bye-bye.